This is N2LEN with another quick video clip of the new addition to the shack is the FTDX 5000 MP,
probably some water was left in
and this radio.
That kind of thing.
I have the DMU 2000. I have all three MTUs: the 3020, the 4080, the 160,
the opening going to the
FH2 remote,
lines come in from
the SM5000, which right now we're just using it in speaker mode.
Things originally with
We have the display off because we have
I replaced it all.
the DMU
So that was known as
2000
the black hole
running.
toilet. And obviously that
Did a bunch of work to this rig.
because,
Yesterday just finished up
sewer
new
gases can come right up into the
OLEDs,
bathroom.
as you could see. They're nice and
So
bright.
way back when, in the early days when Marcy was with me, and we stopped
go
by
ahead and
Armstrong Transmitter. I wanted to show her where I worked, and
switch over to the
Sanan and other people.
AF scope.
And I guess everybody's been converting over to those
It
1.6 gallon
2:08
flush toilets.
p.m. February
Toilet
1st,
that was
2023.
installed
And we're listening to
in the bathroom
7290
at the shop.
AM. We're at 9
It wasn't all
kilohertz
that old. It was
bandwidth. We
probably
have the
a couple,
roofing
3
filters
years
at
old, made by
6K.
American Standard, I think. It was removed and it was just sitting there. So, geez, we could use a shitter, so
And
it
that
wasn't
is
good condition when I wrestled that
W1HLR
into the
on
car and
AM.
took it home, and that has become the toilet.
So that's about it.
Everything, the mouth that the toilet pumps down to, said is plastic.
The new FTDX 5000 MP,
from 3 to 4 inch
fully loaded.
pipe
And so far, we're enjoying it.
But I've had a problem on and off. The pepper valve not dropping, but rarely. So what happens is the water keeps running. And I think if I grasped it with a little tiny bit of weight, it would close more readily. What about, the factor of not screwing up is probably about 95% of the time it works. Then I started having problems with the